Title: Unlock Your Future, a step-by-step guide to getting a job in Canada's thriving Alberta province. Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada's Smart Mind. Should any questions arise, I encourage you to reach us via our comment section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who could benefit from it, please share this video with them. Be very welcome here. We are going to teach you. Menu 1, how to search for a job in Alberta, Canada. 2, examples of finding job opportunities. 3, the do's and don'ts of writing a resume and cover letter. 1, how to search for a job in Alberta, Canada. Alberta is one of Canada's most dynamic provinces, known for its vibrant cities like Calgary and Edmonton, each housing over 1 million residents. These urban hubs are fueled by thriving industries like energy, agriculture, and technology. To begin your job search, leverage job boards. Popular sites like Indeed.ca, Workopolis, and the Government of Canada Job Bank are essential. Network. Attend local networking events or join platforms like LinkedIn to connect with recruiters and professionals in your field. Explore provincial programs. Alberta's immigrant nominee programs often connect skilled workers with employers. Key tip: tailor your applications for each job you apply to. It shows dedication and attention to detail. 2 examples of finding job opportunities. Example 1. Let's say you're looking for a position in Edmonton's tech industry. You might find openings listed as software developer or IT specialist. After finding a job post on Indeed.ca, ensure your resume includes keywords from the posting. Example 2. In Calgary, the energy sector is booming. Search for roles like project manager or environmental consultant. LinkedIn is particularly useful for reaching out to hiring managers directly. Example 3. For those interested in healthcare, Alberta's hospitals and clinics often post roles on the Alberta Health Services website. Positions like registered nurse or lab technician are frequently in demand. 3. The do's and don'ts of writing a resume and cover letter. Do's. Tailor your resume to the job posting. Highlight relevant skills and experiences. Use a professional format. Keep it clean and organized. Begin your cover letter with a strong introduction. Address the hiring manager by name if possible. Don'ts. Avoid generic resumes. Recruiters can spot these easily. Don't exceed 2 pages for your resume. Brevity is key. Never use informal language. Maintain professionalism throughout. Examples. How to write a resume and cover letter. Resume format. Header. Name, contact information, LinkedIn profile. Summary. A brief overview of your professional experience. Work experience. List roles in reverse chronological order, emphasizing achievements. Education. Include degrees, certifications, and relevant training. Cover letter template. Your address, city, province, postal code, email address, phone number, today's date, employer's company address, city, province, postal code subject, application for position name. Dear employer's name, I am writing to express my interest in the position name role at company name. With X years of experience in specific field, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. Insert a paragraph detailing relevant skills and achievements. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how my background aligns with your needs. Sincerely, your name. Tata 4. Interview preparation tips. To impress an interviewer, research the company thoroughly. Understand their mission and recent accomplishments. Prepare responses to common questions like, why should we hire you? Or what are your strengths and weaknesses? Dress professionally. First impressions matter. Example answer. Q. Why should we hire you? A. I believe my background in specific skills, experience, and my ability to specific accomplishment make me a strong candidate for this role. My passion for field aligns perfectly with your company's goals, and I am eager to contribute to your team's success. Closing notes. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. By doing these 3 free things, you'll help us create even better content tailored to your needs. Our sponsor offers affordable and flexible daily courses in English and French, as well as job search services for just 20 cents a day. Links to our website and the Canada Smart Mind School are in the description below. Don't wait for a miracle. Do the work and your future will thank you. Now, let's get back to the video.